Thank you very much. I'm really excited to be here and to introduce the new smartwords standard from wordnik. At wordnik, our goal is to have as much information as possible about as many words as possible and to share that information with as many people as possible. And so we have all this information. In fact, we're already sharing all this information with more than 150 partners, strong men and women of steel, who are using our data to make really cool applications and have really great information about words. So why are we engineering all this infrastructure and information about words? I know this isn't the right kind of engineer. This isn't a software engineer, but a Lego engineer is really cute, and you can never go wrong with a Lego engineer. So why are we doing this? Well, we're doing this because we know we can see the future where all print is digital, where all words are digital, and of course at wordnik we're very excited about words, and we know that this process is coming, and we know that this process is unstoppable. Now, we don't really want to stop this process because we're excited about a future where all of the words are digital. And we don't think anyone here really wants to stop this process. We think everybody here is pretty excited about it as well. But it's a big change. And big changes are disruptive. Big changes can be scary. Big changes are uncomfortable, and they make us re-examine how we think about things. And of course, we were re-examining how we thought about words. But of course, the same thing that brings disruption, change, also brings new opportunities. And of course, opportunities are exciting times to get away from the way that you've always done things. And another thing is, opportunity is also a code word for money. And we have the advantage of lagging a little bit so we can see how other industries have managed the transition from non-digital to digital, and we can learn from what worked for them and also what didn't work for them. So with smart words, we're thinking there's a lot of new information that's going to be made about words and with words, but there's no easy way to exchange that information about words. So smart words is a new standard that lets you get information about words and share information about words. So why smart words? Well, print words are dumb. Non-digital words are dumb. I hate to say this about words because I love words, but print words can be dumb as bricks. But smart words, on the other hand, digital words, they know things. They know where they are, and they know where they came from. They know when they are. They know how they relate to other words around them. They know who created them, and they know who they're hanging out with now. And we think this is pretty exciting, and we think if you can know where your words are and who they're hanging out with and what other words are around them, if you can map them, you can have a really cool network. And if you've got this information about words, if you can ask any word, like, tell me all about yourself, what kind of aha moments and opportunities for discovery and delight can you add to your text? If you've got the chance to ask a word a question, what kind of things can you add to your devices that help your readers do more things with the text that you've got? What kind of new features can you add? What kind of opportunities are there for sharing things that people have found in text? If you can ask words these questions and they answer, then there can be a closer connection between the readers and the text and the devices. You can have more opportunities for personalization. You can have not just smarter words, but maybe even smarter readers. So smart words is a way in which we would like people to be able to do more with their words. But to do more of what you've got more of. We're not asking you to do more things. We want the words to do the heavy lifting. The words will have to be smart. So smart words is a standard. We want it to be simple. It will be lightweight, easy to use. It will enable powerful APIs. And it will be exciting in a way that we hope more people will be excited about words and the kinds of cool things that you can build from them. So now at wordnik, we're pretty smart about words. But our initial smart words partners here, they're pretty smart about a whole lot of other parts of the publishing business. These logos are not to scale. So we think that with these people's help in developing our smart words standard, that it will be really useful to a broad range of people in publishing. So we'd like you to join us. If you have some interesting ideas about what kinds of information you'd like to have about words and what kinds of information you'd like to share about words, what data sets do you have that could be published under this open standard? We would really like to hear it. You can email us at smartwords@wordnik.com. You can check us out on the web at smartwords.wordnik.com. We'd really like to know what you have to think about smart words. Thanks so much.